Frank.
Shawty put it on, please. I be going hey, shorty upgrade from below, please. Tipping good, girl, but I can make it. I walk around with pockets that are bigger than my butt. Well, rain, rain, go away. That's what all my haters say. My pockets stuck on overload. My brain never evaporate. No need to elaborate. Most of these ducks exaggerate, but I'ma get money here, they some just might get a chance after me. To ball like a lemon off a free throw. To the head of the game, no Chico. Lambo Russell, no street code. You really got me lost, let me know. Go, 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 go and do your thing. And I'ma throw this money while you do it with no hands. Go.
Wait, it's been 5 years since that special day when I asked you on our first date. Yeah, guess it's safe to say you and I are better than sunny chair, honey bed. And you and I are better than Matt and Jasmine. We've made it happen. La 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 la.